Hello everyone, it's Thursday, 2nd September, and the time right now is 6:50 p.m. and the temperature is positive 18 degrees Celsius. And right now I am at the Montreal International Airport and the code is YUL. I am at the side of after like all the security because I have to travel Doha. So I'm waiting for my flight and thinking why not to make a video for you guys to show you the Montreal International Airport, Quebec. Montreal International Airport is very busy and it's a huge airport. And I'm at the gate at 63 in departure level. You can see all the people is waiting for their flight beside the big window. I always love to sit beside the window, like the big window where I can enjoy all the plane view. And check out, there is a huge screen where you can see the map of the floor and you can check timetable of the airways, gate number, time, everything. So the red is blinking. Right now I'm here and I'm going towards like 51. Mask is mandatory in the airport, so I'm wearing mask. Because of the mask, maybe my sound is not clear. I'm traveling Qatar Airways, so it's not the Qatar Airways counter, but this is a transfer desk. So even though you checked online, I checked in online before 24 hours ago and I got all the boarding passes from Calgary International Airport, but you have to resubmit your COVID test and they're gonna give you a new boarding pass. This is called transfer. So if you are traveling internationally, so be careful about the transfer. Don't forget to take your transfer. It's not required all the international airport, but you can ask about your airlines.
Dernier rappel d'embarquement pour le vol Air Canada 892 à destination d'Europe.
Look at the big window. How many planes are waiting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the WestJet. And here is a huge Air Canada at 59. And on both sides, look at I think all the airport in Canada is busy now. It was crazy busy in the Calgary airport today. Oh my god. I always love to watch plane. Look at the Air Canada.
Passager Macar Lal, veuillez vous présenter au comptoir. Alors, je te demande, comme en général, on invite tous les passagers pour le vol 892 à embarquer maintenant. S'il vous plaît, votre embarquement en main, le passeport ouvert à la page photo. Boarding all passengers, all zones for flight 892. All remaining passengers may board now. Please have your boarding pass in hand and your passport open on a picture page. Thank you. Merci.
So there is a walking escalator. It's very slow. There is a bell telephone booth.
Look, there's a line.
And I noticed like there are a lot of restaurants in Montreal airport. And if you like my blog, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. Wow. And I think I mentioned in the earlier video that I'm going outside of Canada for 2 weeks and I'm not able to post any video about Calgary next 2 weeks, but stay connected, enjoy my previous video, which one you cannot see. You can watch my videos and stay connected. I'll be back very soon.
Le vol Air Canada 270 pour Paris est maintenant prêt pour l'embarquement. Gérer les passagers qui sont assis dans la zone 1. Ladies and gentlemen, Air Canada Flight 870 to Paris is now ready for boarding. We're inviting passengers to in zone 1. I would like to remind you, please do pick up one of the forms that are behind the counter here before you board the aircraft. Also have your passport open in the picture page. Je dois juste vous rappeler de prendre les formulaires, un de chaque exemplaire, qui sont derrière le comptoir, et ayez vos passeports ouverts à la page photo. Merci.
Wow, look at the cool thing. The wall. It's so pretty. It's all individual photograph. Nice.
Mama Bear is doing great.
Hi. Hi. If you want to enjoy the bar, it's gate 53. Pretzel in Montreal International Airport. Hi. Actually, the full airport name is Montreal Trudeau International Airport. It's all duty-free shop and YUL. This is the code for Montreal International Airport, YUL. It's all last minute shopping. If you don't have time to do your shopping, or if you forget something, you can buy from duty free shop in Montreal Airport. It's huge. So here I cannot, no entry because I already passed this gate to
Dernier rappel
scan
d'embarquement pour le
my
vol Air Canada 890
boarding
à
passes.
destination
So
de
you don't
Rome.
have
Tous les
there
passagers
is
doivent
no
déjà
checking,
être
just
embarqués à
you
la
have to
porte
scan your
60.
boarding pass on the gate,
This is the final
and the
boarding
gate will
call for
automatically
Air
open
Canada
for you.
Flight 892 to Rome.
Yeah, that's
All
very
customers
cool.
should now be on board through gate 60.
Nouveau, Louis, Sadiq Dansami, Antefa.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for your love, your time,
Family, Abdul,
and see
Samed,
you very
Araj,
soon if I
Adia, Samed,
can, if I have
Dahal,
time.
Joti,
Then I will make a video
Jandandian,
of
Yara.
Doha Airport, International Airport
Thank you.
in Qatar. See you after 2 weeks, and hope you're gonna miss me. I will miss you guys, your comments, of course.
Attention please, the following passenger Noreen Siyama, Noreen Gulabramza, Rafay Rose Bahani Ismat, Sadafa Fangoza Stacy Holly, Miti Zarifa, Radir Shafayat, Radford Roy, and passenger Tara Radford. Please present yourself next to the 63 for your boarding pass. Thank you. Attention please, the following passenger passenger. The family Nale, Annabelle, Maniva, Stefan, Ula, Razwan, Alam, Sabine, Anu, Amira,
What are you
Navneet Kaur,
I don't know.
and passenger Bengal, Matthew Chance. Please present yourself.
For your thing, I can do it on.
Thank you.